Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the blood flow. The beating of heart is necessary to hemostasis because it creates pressure that propels blood in the arteries and the arteriole. Arterioles lead to the capillaries where nutrient and gas exchange with tissue. Fluid take place. Blood flow in the arteries, blood pressure due to the pumping of the heart account for the flow of blood in the arteries. Systolic pressure is high when the heart expels the blood. Diastolic pressure occurs when the heart ventricles are relaxing. Both pressure decrease with distance from the left ventricle because blood enter more and more arterioles. Cross-sectional area as it relates to the blood pressure and velocity. Blood pressure, velocity, total cross-sectional area of the vessels. Blood flow in the capillaries. Blood moves slowly in capillaries because there are more capillaries than arterioles. This allows time for the substance to be exchanged between the blood and tissue. Blood flow in the veins. Venous blood flow is depend upon the skeletal muscles contraction, presence of valves in vein, and respiratory movement. Compression of veins causes blood to move forward past a valve that then prevent it from returning backward. Changes in the thoracic and abdominal pressures that occur with the breathing also assist in the return of the blood. Varicose vein develop when the valves of vein become weak. Next, the hemorrhoids are due to the varicose vein in the rectum. Phlebitis is the inflammation of vein and can lead to the blood clot and possible death if the clot is dislodged and it is carried to the pulmonary vessel. Next is the blood separation into two main parts, plasma and foam blood elements. Plasma account for the 55%, foam element 45% of the blood volume. Plasma contains mostly water 90 to 92% and plasma protein 7 to 8%. But it also contains nutrient and waste. Albumin is a large plasma protein that transport bilirubin, globulin and plasma protein that transport lipoprotein. Next is the composition of the blood. There are the formed element plasma, red blood cells and leukocytes. Red blood cells is the erythrocytes 4 million to 6 million per mm blood. White blood cells are the leukocytes 4,000 to 11,000 per mm cube blood. Granular leukocytes basophils 20 to 50 per mm cube blood. Eosinophils is 100 to 400. Neutrophil is 3,000 to 7,000. And agranular leukocytes are 1500 to 3000 per mm cube bloods. Monocytes are 100 to 700 per mm cube bloods. Platelets are thrombocytes 1,50,000 to 3 lakhs. Plasma is water 90 to 92% of plasma. Plasma protein 7 to 8% of plasma. Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, salt less than 1%.